Now I will show you for cycle and enumerate function. What does it mean? So you can imagine that we have a list, for example, fruits, and I will store here apple, banana, and cherry. So we have a list of strings, and now we know that we can go through the list and print or do whatever we want with the items of the list. So it means, for example, I put here item in fruits and print item. So it means fruits take apple, store it item, print it. It goes to the banana, store it item, print it. Cherry, store it item, print it. I will run it. You can see apple, banana, cherry. Okay, great. But what about the indexes? So we know that apple has a number 0, banana 1, and cherry has a number 2, right? So apple is 0, banana is 1, and cherry is number 2, right? So we can use in the cycle not only values, we can use the indexes as well. So how we can do it? I would like to create another variable here, and it will be called index, and I would like to print only like this, print index, comma item, okay? Or whatever you want. You can use the f string if you want. It's up to you. I will go only like this. But the problem is, if you run it, it doesn't work. So we need to take from the fruits value, like now, and the index as well. So you need to use enumerate function. So it goes like this, enumerate, and goes exactly like this. If you write this, it will spread the fruits to the value, like apple, and the index, for example 0 here. So it will print 0 apple. After that, banana, it will spread to value, it means banana string, and the index 1 it will store here, and it will print 1 banana. And after that, cherry, it will store here, index 2 will be stored here, and will print cherry, 2 cherry. Okay, so I will run it and we will see. 0 apple, 1 banana, 2 cherry. So you can use in your for cycle indexes as well.